Welcome to St. Jacob's School. Can you guess what? They have a wonderful traditional dancers. Wait and watch until the end. Thank you for watching. God bless you.